Good afternoon everyone. Sundo ulit tayo kay Ziana. Grabe, init na dito sa Israel mga kapatid. Kailangan uminom lagi ng H2O. Lakas naman. Ayan. Half day lang po yung class nila dito. From 8 to 1:30. Ayan. Pero sunduin natin siya ng maaga. Kasi ayaw ni Ziana na nahuhuli. Ito po yung school niya. Ayan. So, 1 more week ay magbabakasyon na nila. Bakasyon na nila. Okay. Wala sila dito sa labas, mainit. Ayan natin. Diba? May CCTV yung nila. Tapos nakasarado. Tapos may doorbell lang. Tapos may hagdanan na mataas. Tapos meron ding school dito sa kabila. Hi. Ayan si Ziana. Hi. Oh, I think why you don't drink your why you don't drink your water? Drink. Come on.
Right now, no.
No. Yeah, good.
I know who's your teacher next year.
Ah, her teacher?
I talked with her teacher, yeah. I know her. She's my friend.
Oh.
She asked me if Ziana was our kid. I told her that yes.
Ah, really?
And she said that you are not answer her to all the papers.
Yeah, because we really don't understand.
So ask me, I will answer you.
Okay.
I know her, Ravital sent me.
Ah, okay.
She's my friend. Her daughter and my daughter was together.
Ah.
So,
wow.
If
Nice.
you need something to help.
Okay. Ah.
I know this school is a very, very good school.
Ah, okay.
And Ziana will start to speak Hebrew. She need to.
She need to.
Understanding.
She need to so that we can also learn.
Yeah.
See?
You will start to read together.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye, bye.
No. How's your school? It's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Daddy.
Yes. What finally? Yeah, it's tablet time. Are you happy? So what's that? It's mommy. Oh, go put your bag.
Paluin kita.
Put your bag.
Ananas. I want.
Ito daw na bumalik na ananas kasi isip na yung...
I want my house to be ananas.
No ananas.
Why? Because sa lapit siya.
I want my house to be ananas.
Di ba? So, dali ka bubaba ng wala.